Welcome to YOUCANIC. Here we have a Kia Optima with a 2.4 liter engine. Our check engine light is on, and we're going to take a look at what code are stored in the ECU and what sensor could be causing that issue. So right here we have an obd-ii scanner. We've plugged that into the obd-ii port right by the fuse box on underneath the dashboard. So here what we want to do is first let's go back, and we have an option to read or clear codes, but in this case we want to read them. Once you fix the issue you can come back and clear the code, but then you go to store codes. Our check engine light is on, so we can look at the store codes. If the check engine light wasn't on but you suspect an issue, you can read pending codes. But here we have P0070 Ambient air temperature sensor circuit. So let's take a look at where that sensor is. So right here we're at the front of the vehicle. You see the front grille right there. This is the lower grille. Right here behind it is where the air temperature sensor is located. We can take a close from underneath, a closer up look from underneath. So you come under, you will remove the shields underneath the vehicle. Once, of course, you'll have to raise the vehicle and secure it with jack stands. Then you have the shield here that has to come off. And right here is where the temperature sensor is. You can see it's pretty simple to replace. You have this electrical connector that needs to come off, and then it just pops right off on the back here. You install the new one. Now, most cases the sensor is going to be the issue. Keep in mind the problem could be the connector, it could be the wire, electrical wire, or it could be the engine control unit itself. So keep that in mind. But as far as this, in this case, the problem is the air temperature sensor. That's all. Thank you for watching.